Question 1a, x plus y is equal to 9. If x is equal to 4, then find y. Answer option number B, 5. If d is equal to 7, dx is equal to 63, dy is equal to minus 49, then find x is equal to C, 9. What is the sum of the first 30 natural numbers? Answer option number B, 465. 15, 10, 5. Continue. In this AP, sum of first 10 terms is answer minus 75. In the format of GST number, there are dash alpha numerals. Answer A, 15. GST system was introduced in our country from. Answer option number D, 1st July 2017. Question number 7. To find the cost of one share at the time of buying, the amount of brokerage and GST is to be dash the market value of share. Option A, added to. Option B, subtracted from. Option C, multiplied with. Option D, divided by. Answer option number A, added to. Question number 8. Which number cannot represent a probability? Option number A, 2 upon 3, B, 1.5. Answer 1.5.